Tonight, we are digging deeper into the suspect's criminal history.
CBS 13 investigative reporter Julie Watts joins us now with new details on the restraining order and the suspect's court-ordered visitation. Julie.
Yeah, guys, David Mora doesn't have a long criminal history, but he was recently arrested by CHP in Merced County, charged with DUI, obstruction, and battery on a peace officer with injury, among other charges. He bailed out just 4 days before this tragic murder-suicide, and according to Mora's restraining order and court-ordered visitation agreement, he was supposed to be completing anger management.
This is the domestic violence restraining order. The girl's mother represented herself. Mora was ordered not to contact the girl's mom and to stay at least 100 yards away. The mother was ordered to provide a telephone to the girls. As is typical with restraining orders, Mora was prohibited from owning a firearm. Now, the mother requested that Mora's visits with the children be supervised by a friend, which the court granted, adding they should be agency supervised if that friend is not available. We now know that friend is the victim. Generally, there's a cost to parents for professional agency supervised visits, so as Weave's chief legal officer explains, non-professional supervisors are a common alternative.
So if they don't have the resources to pay for a professionally supervised visitation, a judicial officer may give them the option of finding somebody who meets certain criteria.
The final visitation order specified that a mutually agreed upon person from the family's church should supervise, requiring Mora to participate in a minimum of 16 anger management sessions before the court would consider unsupervised visits. It's not clear how many, if any, he completed before yesterday's tragic murder-suicide.
How often are parents with restraining orders denied access to their children?
It's fairly rare, and usually we only see it happen for a short period of time.
She explains it's usually just a few-week period before the hearing. A new law took effect this year that requires judges to consider a parent's history of domestic violence before allowing unsupervised visits with children, which appears to have happened in this case.
How common is this type of violence on supervised or even unsupervised visits?
Violence in general is fairly frequent when there is a visitation exchange happening. It's certainly less when the visitation is being supervised.
We've identified at least 18 local children killed by a parent in domestic violence incidents since 2017. Only one happened during an unsupervised visit, and this appears to be the first while supervised.
Now, Weave says there is a critical need for low-income families to have access to qualified legal help in cases like these.